In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view activity levels in Hubstaff. Whether you're managing a team or simply keeping track of your own productivity, understanding how to navigate the activity level feature in Hubstaff is crucial for monitoring performance. Hubstaff measures activity levels based on keyboard and mouse usage, providing you with essential insights into how active you've been while the desktop timer is running. Let's dive into the steps to access this information seamlessly. Firstly, you'll want to start by heading over to the activity page. On the Hubstaff dashboard, locate the left sidebar. Here, you'll find a variety of options designed to help you manage your work environment efficiently. One of these options is Activity. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a page specifically designed to display activity levels. Once you're on the activity page, the next step is to select the date range you're interested in reviewing. This feature is particularly helpful because it allows you to examine activity over specific periods, whether it's a single day, a week, or even a custom date range that suits your analysis needs. By selecting the date range, you can hone in on the exact time frame you want to assess, giving you the flexibility to conduct short-term checks or long-term evaluations of productivity. For those who have permissions that allow it, there's an optional but powerful feature you can utilize here: filters. Filters make it easier to focus your review by letting you choose a specific member of your team, a particular project, or even an entire team. This can be particularly useful if you're managing multiple projects or teams and need to compare activity levels across different segments. Simply use the filter option to customize your view, and Hubstaff will present the relevant details according to your selections. Now, with your date range and any necessary filters applied, take a moment to review the activity level percentages for each tracked time entry. This is where the core insights are displayed. Each percentage reflects the level of activity recorded by Hubstaff, showing how much keyboard and mouse usage occurred while the desktop timer was running. By analyzing these percentages, you can quickly ascertain which time blocks were the most productive and which might require further investigation or improvement. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide to viewing activity levels in Hubstaff. Understanding this feature can greatly aid in optimizing productivity and ensuring efficient workflow. Remember, accurate tracking is pivotal in fostering effective work habits and enhancing overall productivity. Whether you're a team leader striving to oversee operations or an individual committed to self-improvement, knowing how to navigate this tool is fundamental. I hope you found this guide helpful in navigating the Hubstaff activity tool and that it empowers you with the insights you need to optimize productivity. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials.